is last class of geometry. We have completed up to question number 4. Look at question number 5. It says find the area of triangle whose base is 28 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. As we know, if the base and height of triangle is given A, B, C, base is 28 centimeter and height is 15 centimeters. Is it base of triangle? (28 centimeter), height of triangle 15 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into 28 centimeter into 15 centimeter. 2 14s are 28. So this gives you 15 4s are 60. 15 ones are 15 and 6 21 centimeter square. The area will be 21 centimeter square. Question number 6. Two sides of a triangle are 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. If the height of a triangle corresponding to the side of length 8 centimeter is 7 centimeter. Now we have a triangle. Hope you have written question number 5. Now look at question number 6. It has certain different questions. It's a combination of certain things which you should know. Now look at question number 6, in which we have a triangle whose two sides are given. One is 8 centimeter and another is 10 centimeter. Just example, maybe this side is 8 centimeter, A, B, C, and this side is 10 centimeter. Is it? We have two sides of a triangle. Now next it says the height corresponding to the side 8 centimeter is 7 centimeter. Means the height corresponding to this is 7 centimeter. Maybe I can give width C, D. Now you have to find area of triangle and height to the corresponding of side of length 10 centimeter. Maybe I can take it A, E is a height corresponding to 10 centimeter. You can write here, let triangle be, let ABC be a triangle in which AB is equal to 8 centimeter, BC is equal to 10 centimeter, height corresponding to AB is equal to CD is equal to 7 centimeter and height corresponding to BC is equal to AE. This I have taken. To find number 1, area of triangle ABC, and number 2, height AE. Is it? This much is given and you have to find this. For first question, regarding this first question, we can write area of triangle is half into base into height. So half, base I will take as 8 centimeter because height corresponding to this base is given to us 7 centimeter. 2 4s are 8, then this gives you 28 centimeter square. Now the area of triangle remains same. If you take base 8 and height 7, or if you take base 10 and height AE, area of triangle is not going to be changed because it is you are talking about the same triangle. Is it? First we had to find the area of triangle. We have taken base 8 centimeter and height 7 centimeter and got the area of triangle. Next we have to find the area height of the length of AE. Now what we can do, I'm rubbing this portion now. As we know, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AE. I can write half into base into height. Now area of triangle you have got 28 centimeters square from 1. We have got it now from 1, or you can write it here from 1. 28 centimeters square is equal to half into base is 10 centimeter. The length of BC is 10 centimeter. AE I do not know. I am writing AE as it is. This height I have taken as AE repeatedly. I am saying you. 2 5s are 10, or 28 centimeter square by 5 centimeter is equal to AE I got, or it gives you 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5.6 centimeter is equal to AE. So we can write height. So height corresponding to base BC is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Please write it. Question number 7, it says, the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio of 7:2. If the area of triangle is 567 centimeters square, find its base and height. Now how to get it? Now you can see ratio between the base and height of the triangle is 7:2. This is 7x and this is 2x. Area of triangle is 567 centimeters square. You write, let the magnitude be x. So base would be 7x and height would be 2x. So what can we write? Half into 7x into 2x is equal to 567 centimeters square. I can write it. Or 2 cancelled. 7x square is equal to 567 centimeters square we can write. Or x square is equal to 567 centimeters square by 7. Or x is equal to under root 81 centimeters square I can write. Or x is equal to 9 centimeter. So base 7x is equal to 7 into 9 centimeter, 63 centimeter, and height 2x is equal to 2 into 9 centimeter, 18 centimeter. So we got base and height both for the triangle, question number 7. Now look at question number 8. Here the figure is given. That figure is a right angled triangle. You can see ABC is a right angled triangle where you have base 24 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. First of all, you have to get the hypotenuse length of AC. What do we know? You just tell me, dear. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. That we have to use here. Look at question number 8. Question number 8. The figure is a right angle to triangle. This is 24 centimeter. A, B, C. 7 centimeter. Use information given in adjoining figure. Find the length of given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, AB 24 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter. To find one, length of AC, and second, area of triangle ABC. First one, we know h square is equal to p square plus b square according to Pythagoras theorem. So here we have to find AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is equal to 24 centimeter whole square plus 7 centimeter whole square. Or AC square is equal to 24 for the 476. Hmm. 576 centimeter square plus 49 centimeter square. Or it gives you AC square is equal to 625 centimeter square, or AC is equal to under root 625 centimeter square, or AC is equal to 25 centimeters. Now we have got the length of AC. The first one we found. Now second we have to find area of triangle ABC. This is number 1. Number 2, area of triangle ABC. We can write it half into base is AB into height is BC, or it is half into 24 centimeter square centimeter into 7 centimeter, 84 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. Now this question number 9, hope you can do. You can see the first, you have to find the area of shaded portion. It's a very simple. You get the area of total portion, then they get the area of unshaded portion and subtract it. So 9 number 1 and 2 is a homework. In the same copy you write question number 9. Finish question number 9 also as a homework. Now regarding submission, you have to submit all the 3 copies, arithmetic, algebra and geometry, on Friday. It's not if it is maths only 1 copy you are submitting. You have to submit all the 3 copies, arithmetic, algebra and geometry with the complete work. Okay, till then keep practicing, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.